Welcome to this unboxing video. Here we will show you what you can expect when purchasing the all-new SD4. Looking at what comes with the drone, we have a USB cable, power charging cable, propellers, the user manual, smart battery, remote, the remote charger and charging cable. In South Africa, the SD4 comes with the bait dropper and camera of choice already installed. This is the USB cable, remote charging cable, the dynamic membrane, smart charger, and the propellers. Plug the power cable into the power supply for the charger. Then plug the power into the battery terminal to get the battery charging. Press the button once, release, then hold in for 2 seconds. The lights will turn yellow, indicating that it is charging. Plug the remote cable into the power supply of the charger. Plug the power into the battery terminal. This will place your remote on charge at the same time as your drone battery. Let's set up the drone. To install the propellers, make sure you match the corresponding propeller with propeller C. Attach the propeller with a press, lock, turn, fit. Do this with all 4 propellers. When inserting the battery, make sure you place the terminals facing down. Close the battery lid, press the button once, release, then hold it to switch on your drone. The SD4 remote has an attachment for your phone so that you can use the Swellpro NaviFly app in conjunction with your drone, unfold your antennas, and you are ready to switch on your remote. Let's look at some of the functions of the remote. Here we have the payload release button, the brand new boat mode, left smooth control wheel, follow me function, return to home, right smooth control wheel, gimbal mode, payload release. At the top we have GPS, ATI custom, landing gear up, down or auto. These are the joysticks. Arm the drone, disarm the drone. Increase altitude, decrease altitude, yaw left, yaw right, direction of motion forward, direction of motion back, right, left. Let's look at the remote screen. Battery voltage remaining, height, distance from remote, battery voltage of remote, connectivity, mode, satellite connectivity, remaining flight time. Here is some more. Gimbal wheel, video mode, landing gear up, landing gear down, photo, GPS ATI custom, payload release system, place the antennas in the up position for low altitude flying, place the antennas in the downward position for long distance flying. This is your all new Swellpro SplashDrone4. You are ready to go for your first flight. For further information, be sure to check out our first flight video for the SD4. Happy exploring!